Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I get ranked in the first page on Google in less than about 10 minutes. So now you will see the results about an hour, a few minutes. I get ranked on the specific keywords very fast. So the keywords, I have made a video talking about CPA network and especially CPA grip. I don't know if you know what does it mean. So if you don't know, you can check what does it mean in the description link. It's a field which you can make money. So I invite you to see the video. Can be very good for you if you're interested in making money. Okay, so the, I have if you put the keyword CPA grip, because CPA grip it's a CPA network and people want to see if there's it's legit and if there's some payment. So the people write like, like here, payment proof. So I'm on a private navigation browser, not to use the not to disable the cookies. Okay, so I have CPA grip payment proof. Okay, so if I have this, so in the first page you have this. Okay, because it's a brand new video. Okay, but if I make this like video, uh, I will be just in the first page. Okay, I'm just right here. Okay, so if you see this, it's 1 hour. Okay, I get rank for these words. Okay, CPA payment proof. Okay, it's all in only 1 hour. Okay, it's amazing. Okay, second thing, if I do like 2019, because people want to see updated video. Okay, I'm on the here, just right here. These there are big boys of the CPA network, and I'm just get ranked here in less than 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, if CPA net. Okay, if I do like just like CPA, I don't know if I get ranked for this keywords. Okay, it's a very large word, but anyway, no, I didn't get ranked for this word. I think didn't check. Second page, maybe. No. Okay, so I have targeted the specific the proof payment because people want to check first if it works. Okay, and it's very amazing. And so what I have used is software. Okay, I have bought, and I will leave you the software in the comment. And this software is this one. Okay, this one. Okay, sorry for okay, you will check it. It's this traffic extractor. I won't do all the video because it takes time, but I will show you how it works. Okay, it's very amazing. It's really amazing. So my computer is a bit slow. Okay, so and I have something running here to record this video. So first you have to run this. I won't I won't show you all the process, but I just want you to show you that the software I have used and other tricks. I will do other videos. So if you like this video, make me a thumbs up. Okay. So first I will just do like this, not to see all my stuffs. So first I just put this. Okay. This is the software. So you have to set up some few things first time you use it. Okay, so you go option, you will have all the things. Okay, I will blur this area, but okay, first thing you just put this like keywords. If I do CPA grip, and then you click on OK, and you will have some keywords. Okay, I won't. It takes a little bit time. I won't go on all the process. I will do another video for this. So just subscribe and make me a thumbs up if you like this video. So first, this software will harvest keywords, find you very relevant keywords you have to use. Okay, and once you have a list of keywords in like a Excel sheet, you will go to second step. Second step will get the competition, and you will find some unused keywords, and you can use it to rank very fast. And then the third step is to put the keywords like in the title, in the description, and in the video. You have to say the words. For example, if you for me, if for the payment, the CPA grip payment, you have to pronounce it in the video 1, 2, or 3 times, not that much, not be spammy, but anyway, you have to pronounce it. You have to in the video. You put it in the description and you put it in the text, and that's it. And you have to be relevant. You make a good description, but the result is here. So if you're interested in this, uh, it's very cheap for the result that we get. Um, if you are interested in this software, just take a look. It's very amazing. It's amazing. We are in 2019, and we have tools like this. You can crush it if you use it very well. You can crush it in your niche. So just give it a try. Just go and see what this software can do. I will do other videos, but I want you to see this. Okay, so go in the link description and leave me the comment. What do you think about this software? About it, I didn't hesitate. Just bring it, because internet marketing is about tools. You cannot do all things manually. You need to be an army of thousands of people, and sometimes it's not enough, because, for example, to check the competition, sometimes with this software you can have like 800 keywords, so you cannot check one by one the competition. I don't know, you need a company, you need people working full time to have a competition the right way. So this software do all this shit in few minutes, and you have the result. It's fantastic. Anyway, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will do other video. You will be amazed. Okay, so I'm here, and I will be in the game, uh, and you will see some surprises very soon. Okay, so I will tell you. So I tell you. See you in the next time. Sorry for my English, because I'm French and I try to speak English. So I hope you understood me. And it's a good way for me to practice this language, because I love English, And maybe something I will teach you some French ones. Okay. So see you guys, and see you in the next video.